Hello and welcome to the Southeast Texas weather briefing for Thursday, July 17th, 2014. This briefing will cover today and tomorrow. So what can you expect for this morning and afternoon? There will be a chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms today, pretty much right along this yellow line and to the east of it. This is a boundary currently in the lower levels that'll help be a focus for some lift. So what can you expect tonight into Friday? An upper-level disturbance will move across northern Texas tonight into Friday, giving southeast Texas a pretty good chance of rain. High-resolution models are starting to show the possibility of a line of showers and thunderstorms moving across the area with more development into Friday. What you see on the screen in front of you, this is a reflectivity image of a high-resolution model, so this is a forecast image. And this is for 8 p.m. tonight. Some areas could also see heavy rainfall from this. Again, we will continue to update the forecast as the timing and the extent of the precipitation comes into a better agreement. Here's your 2-day rainfall total forecast. And across most of the area, you can see we should get some rain. In the black circle, right up here, in the northern part, for CWA, that is where the best chance of heavy rainfall or flash flooding stands or looks right now. And in that area you could see up to 3 inches, 4 inches of rain through Saturday morning. So in summary, heavy rainfall and potential for flooding through Friday. Some storms could also be strong, producing gusty winds and small hail. Rainfall, showers and thunderstorms likely today and tomorrow. Tropics, no development expected in our area for the next 5 days. Again, please be careful. If you do see flooded highways, turn around, don't drown. This has been the National Weather Service Daily Weather Briefing. Thanks for listening.